Hey, so what are seats on Jungle Scout? In this video, you're going to find and discover the answer. In the description, also, I'm going to have the best discounts for Jungle Scout for you so you can save big, and a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials so you can make the most of Jungle Scout. And my name is Baba Evan. Great to meet you. Seller on Amazon since 2016. So let's run through the seats. What is that thing? What is that concept on Jungle Scout? So if you go to the pricing page of Jungle Scout, also link in the description for you. If you scroll down to quick look, you're going to have the included seats. So included seats means the number of users you can have on your account without an additional charge. So for the basic, this is the basic plan. This is the suite plan. Okay, as you can see here, basic suite. For the basic and the suite, you can only have one seat. So only one user on your account. Now, with the suite plan, you have the eligible for additional seats thing. So that means add more users to your account and manage which marketplaces they can access. So with the basic plan, basically it's only you and yourself, and you cannot add any additional seats. With the suite plan, it's only you, but you can add additional seats to your account. So if you pay monthly for Jungle Scout, you can have a seat for $49 a month for an extra user. But I'll tell you this, usually the suite is $69 per month and the seat is $49 per month. So 69 plus 49, let's make it 70 plus 50 to make it easier. It's 120. So 118, 69 plus 49. And that already is equivalent to the professional 129 almost. So I would recommend you the professional plan for the seats. So if you want more people and users on your account, that's 6. With the professional plan, that's the better idea, hence the best discounts for the professional and the suite plan. But also, you can add additional seats at $49 per month. You can have an additional seat for professional and suite, but I would recommend you the professional if you have a team of users. Again, the best discounts and the best tutorials for Jungle Scout are in the description. And if you want to see how to actually add those people to your team, those users, and put them on those seats, then up here on the screen is going to appear a video that shows you step by step how to do that process so you can add the users to your team and hopefully have a successful business on Amazon. So have a good day and happy life. All the best discount stuff and anything you need also is in the description. Goodbye.